Why?
You all asked for weird New England things that we could do, and I think this pretty much tops it off.
Yeah, it's there.
It's a thing. It's the PEZ Factory and Visitor Center Museum.
Yeah, which I guess if you've probably had that candy anywhere
Everybody's
in
had
the world.
PEZ.
Yeah, it's not my favorite, but it's there.
Mine either, but we're going to go check out the Visitor Center today.
Sure.
Yeah. While we're visiting the visitor center, we get to play bingo to see if we can win some prizes while we're here today. Got my card ready.
Bingo!
Which Disney character was introduced as a PEZ dispenser in the 1960s?
Mickey! There is a lot of Disney stuff.
Oh, I hope that's not the flavor, too. Ew. Watch your step.
Go team. Go win.
Novice, intermediate, or expert?
Novice.
Okay. What kind of ball is on that dispenser? That's a soccer ball. What is the name of this dispenser? Oh, that's the Tasmanian Devil. What is the name of this dispenser? That's Bugs Bunny. What is the name of this dispenser? Gargamel?
Yeah.
Okay. Bunch of Disney PEZ. Hi, Snow White. They also have the PEZ as they change through the years, so you can kind of see the evolution of the character and the PEZ dispenser. Like Miss Piggy, we know she changed her look through the years.
Yeah, and they're always wonderful.
Oh my goodness, you could get costumes for your PEZ dispensers. I mean, now I just need to buy a whole bunch of PEZ dispensers.
And Mickey.
And just dress them up in costumes. That's so much fun yet ridiculous.
Look, I found one.
Okay, there's more. Who knew dressing your PEZ dispensers was like the thing to do?
Me.
Ed did not. Don't let him fool you.
I want to wear one.
You want me to dress you in one of the PEZ costumes?
Yeah.
So much PEZ. I'm sugar crashing just walking around.
Look, I want to wear this. I mean, no, I don't want to wear those because I'm.
So you want the PEZ clothes and the high heels?
I'm a big boy.
Oh my! Someone save me. Okay, I won't lie. I wouldn't say no to having one of these PEZ dispensers in my house. That is pretty cool. But I know someone who would say no.
No thanks.
Ed found another game to play.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Coupon.
And if games were your thing, apparently there were PEZ games once upon a time. I just like the art on this board. That's pretty cool. Celebrities like PEZ too, because why wouldn't you? Hey Ed?
Yeah.
I found the PEZ outfit for you.
No, I'm a big boy.
Oh, you want the jacket? Oh. So anyone who needs something from Ed's Christmas list, this is it. It is the PEZ jacket from the early 1950s. Okay, that was totally a fun afternoon.
Yeah, it was. It was something different.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
And it was inexpensive for, about an hour we wandered around.
Yeah.
We played the games. We won some bingo prizes.
Yay!
And then, of course, we did some shopping.
Of course, I mean, someone here really wanted to.
Of course I did. I didn't fill the basket like I said I would, though.
I think two rando things, that was fine.
Okay. And you get to keep the lanyard, too, with your admission. So
Oh, yeah. I'm going to wear this every day for the rest of my life.
Make sure to subscribe to be notified where our next destination will be. Chances are it's going to be something odd New England again.
Right, because we live here now.
And click the bell icon to be notified when we get there.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Would you care for a PEZ?
Sure. Whew, that's sweet.